Oh, look at me. That's me as a baby.
Y'all, I'm in the best possible mood. Today is my 16th wedding anniversary. Everybody told us we would fall out of the honeymoon phase, but we did not. One of the key reasons for that is, we love each other, but when you love something, ooh, you take care of it. I bet y'all can see where I'm going with this. You are born with talent. Yes, you are born with skills that you can hone, that can actually come out better than a lot of people around you. That everybody's got those. It takes time to figure out what they are, but everybody has them. The challenge is that those things don't hone themselves. If you've got a relationship with someone and you don't talk to them, you don't listen to them, you don't feed that relationship at all, it may still exist technically, but is it going to be a good relationship? Your artistic skill is the same way. It has to be cared for. You have to know its limitations. You have to feed the thing. You have to exercise it. You got to water it. You have to take care of it. When is the last time you fed your talent? I don't mean used and practiced. When is the last time you actually indulged in something that somebody else made that you just love? Not something that you're trying to study and analyze and take apart and learn how they did it and be all responsible. I mean something you just love. I don't care if the critics like that thing or not. If you like it, you should indulge in it more. After all, you're trying to make something that other people love, right? So this helps you to remember that what you make, you need to love. If you love something, you're going to take care of it. Love what you make. Love what you make. Take care of it. Pour yourself into it. If you forget what that looks like, take in something else that you love and remind yourself of that feeling. Love what you make, and then it'll help you make it better. I'm gonna go celebrate. I suggest you do the same, because why not? We all need an excuse to be happy right now. So sit down with me, fellow creators, and let's make something new.